So in today's video, I'm going to talk about the Mountain Hatch Chevy Colorado tailgate cutting board slash insert or panel, whatever you want to call it. It's a piece of plastic that goes over the top of the existing tailgate. It just basically bolts right on and it makes the whole surface smooth. It has some indentations where you can put beverages to keep things from being knocked over, and it's also food grade cutting board. It's made in the United States, by the way. And so yeah, I got it because I wanted to basically have a nice smooth surface for cooking. I've already spilt a bunch of coffee and liquids and just other stuff, and it's going to make my life a little bit easier getting in and out of this truck bed as opposed to a rough ridged tailgate. So it's a super easy install. I'm going to go to that next. This is real simple. Start off by removing the existing screws in the tailgate. The tailgate overlay basically goes on top of the existing tailgate. It's that simple. Then take your screws that came with the package and screw it into the tailgate. Now be real careful. You don't want to screw these super tight. I'm just screwing them in with a power drill, and then I'll hand tighten them with a hand socket here a little bit later on, because it is plastic. You could over tighten and damage the tailgate overlay. That's it. You're finished. One thing to note is with the overlay installed, the extra weight removes the effect of the dampened tailgate. Thanks for watching.